Hey everyone, it's Toccara with FB Ad Strategist, simplifying Facebook ads one question at a time. I wanted to take you through today building retargeting audiences for your Facebook videos, and I'm trying to make a commitment of doing a video a day every weekday until my 6 Steps to Facebook launch class on October 20th. So want to share with you how I'm going to do this for a client of mine. So I'm going to just turn the video camera around and walk you through the steps. So if you've been wondering how to do this with your own Facebook videos and how you can create these retargeting audiences, you are about to learn. It is not very difficult. So let me turn this around and show you. So this is a client of mine. We've been doing a Facebook ad campaign with video views. This client has about 21,000 video views. I just want to show you some stats real quick that are important. So you can see out of those 21,000 video views for a lookalike audience that we targeted, she has 4,500 that did 3-second views, but as the video goes on and on, 50% viewed, it's a smaller audience, right? So 2,500. And then as the video gets to 95%, there's only an audience of about 1,400 people. Why is this important? Because the more time that someone spends watching your video, the more engaged they are with your brand, the more likely they are to purchase from you, right? So just something to notice on there. Just some other things that stand out that I'll just talk you through. The click-through rate on the link is really low here, but this is because it's a video view and it was a Facebook contest. This is kind of like what I expect from video views. If we were doing an actual image ad, then my goal is always to get us over 1%. And this particular client was doing really well. She was more like at 2% or more, close to 3% for the link. But anyway, so I want to go here. I'm going to show you how to do this. So I'm trying to protect her privacy and not show the full name. But what you're going to do is you're going to click on Ads Manager, and then you're going to go to Audiences, which is on the left side. You may not see it on the screen because I just want to protect her privacy there. And what you'll see here is Audiences, and right below you're going to see Create Audience. So we're going to click on that and we're going to create a custom audience. So you can pause this video and kind of do it on your own if you're watching the replay. And then video views are going to fall under engagement. And what we're going to do is we're going to pick the video option. So create a list of people who have spent time watching your videos on Facebook. Now, what I'm going to do personally for this client is I'm going to set up different audiences based on how long they watched her video. So the first one is going to be at least 3 seconds of our video, and what we're going to do is I'm going to do it for the last 60 days because I want to retarget everyone who is part of this campaign. And then what we do is we choose the video. So let me go to this client's page and we will cover that up. And then we will pick this view. This is the video that we're retargeting actually right here, and this same video. And we'll confirm. That's the videos we want to use, and what we're going to say here is 3-second video views, 60 days. Second video views, 60 days. Contest. I want to put contest because it was for a contest, just so I remember. You always want to make sure that whatever description you use is easy for you to recognize. So we're going to create that audience. It's literally that simple. So thanks for creating a custom audience. There's 2 videos. It's going to take us 30 minutes to create this audience. I'm not going to create an ad right now. And then I'm going to go back and do the exact same thing. So I'm going to go back to custom audiences, engagement, video, choose a content type. And now for me, after the 3 seconds, I'm going to do a 25%, 50%, 75, and 95% because we're going to end up splitting these audiences up. So I'm going to go here and here, select those same 2 videos, and what I'm going to do later on in my ad campaigns is I have to exclude the other audiences. So I'm going to say this one was 25%, contest video views. Sorry, I'm trying to type over my phone. Video views and 60 days. So now I can recognize those. Okay, so then I go into create audience, next, and so on and so forth. So I'm going to keep doing this for this client until I get through all the audiences. And what that'll allow me to do, there we go, here, let me turn. What that'll allow me to do is retarget these audiences separately. So something to consider is when I'm going to do my campaign, because she has quite a big audience, about 20,000 people now, I'm going to split those different audiences into different ad sets. So it'll be interesting to see the data. My theory is that the video views that are shorter, the 3-second video views versus the 95% video view audience, is going to be less engaged with her brand. They're not as likely to purchase from her. So we're going to have to still build that know, like, trust factor with that audience, and probably more likely to have success with the audience that have viewed the video over 95%. That for us is a really warm audience. So when I set my ad sets, what I'm going to do is, let's say I'm going to set up one ad set with the audience of 95% video views, and then where the exclusion is, I'm going to exclude all the other video audiences that I created. So I'm going to exclude 3-second video views, 25%, 75%, 50%. So the only people seeing that ad set are the 95% view audience. So I hope that was helpful. It really is that simple to set up custom audiences from video views. You do not need to mess around with the Facebook pixel. This isn't really advanced stuff. This is something that an entry-level Facebook advertiser can do on their own for their business. If you're using a video and wanting to create your audience and build it and then retarget it, because Facebook is all about customer journeys, then this is a wonderful tool for you to use. So hope you're having a great Friday. I'm committing to these videos one a day throughout the week, 5 days a week up until October 20th, where I'm going to do my 6 steps to Facebook launch class for business owners. If you are in the Kona area, join me. It's going to be this 3-hour intimate hands-on tutorial where we are literally going to set the foundation for the why of Facebook advertising before we tell you the how. And we're going to kind of mastermind together. It's tapped out at 15 business owners max, so that I can do some real hands-on training and tutorials for you, and that your fellow business owners can help brainstorm ideas for your own Facebook funnel and advertising strategy. And you will not leave the class without setting up your very first Facebook ad campaign. So really cool stuff. If you're interested in learning more about that, go to fbadstrategist.com/class, and it'll show you a little bit of a video that will tell you some more about the class. Hope you're having a great Friday, and I will tap back into a live video on Monday. If you have any questions, comments, suggestions, put them down below. The more engagement I can get, the cheaper this ad will be, so engage with it. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye.